up, what up, what up? Come on now. Hey, zoom in on this one. Zoom in on this one. See that time?
Hold up. No, they don't.
Zoom in on it.
All right.
Got it? Got it?
Yeah.
Beard swinging. See these?
Oh.
See these? 3 beards? That's what we're gonna get tomorrow.
Look at them spurs on there.
Beat that. Anyway, zoom in on me. Friday night right now. We just did a little. Yo. What? Friday night, we just did a little scout. We did try to reap a couple birds. Toms? By 9. They tried to reap a couple birds, didn't work out. But I got that eagle eye and I found a nice field. Got 5 or 6 toms in it. We're gonna go sit there in the morning. Granted, that camera is extremely close to my face. And anyways, we're gonna get there bright and early. We're gonna go set up on them. And it's gonna be a good morning. Catch you then, buddy. Bow! Yeah, he is. Alright. It is May 16th. It's 4 in the morning. It is 64 degrees. It's supposed to get up there a little bit. It's a little windy right now, but it's gonna die down. There's just a thunderstorm, so don't really know where these birds are roosted. They went back in the woods last night. We couldn't watch them, so we're just gonna go where we think they're gonna come out. We got Strutter decoy, and that's it. All the other decoys are at the other blind, but hopefully we can triple up this morning. There's definitely plenty of birds for it. If not, just down the road we got permission, and there's some turkeys there last night, so we could always do a little crawling. But see y'all in the blind.
What are you doing? He's filming me.
Right now I am.
We got the blind set up. It's now.
Oh, I can't even get that on camera, and I ain't gonna try.
4:36 in the morning. Sun's rising. Turkeys should be gobbling. Probably that way a little bit. We got our decoy probably 25-30 yards out. We got a GoPro out there. We get a little more footage. We got a shot cam today. Get that?
I got her.
Shot cam. All 3 of us shooting. About, from what we saw last night, about roughly 6 birds, 5-6 toms, bunch of jakes, and should be
Gonna be a bloodbath this morning.
Action-packed morning. I got that one. Shoot it.
Yes! Let's go, baby! Let's go!
I got that one. Shoot it.
Let's go! Baby. Let's go! Oh shit! Oh! Let's go!
We tripled up, baby. We tripled up.
Let's go!
We tripled up, baby.
Come on! Come on!
Oh. Wait, okay, whose is that one?
That's his. It's mine. Which one? This one or that one?
Oh, baby.
Come on!
Come on. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Triple up, baby.
That one, this one started flying. I shot him. Joe shot him.
Hey,
Go!
sorry about that, but yours ain't got no fan left.
This one?
It does? Huh? This
Huh?
one's yours.
I didn't shoot at that last one. It was one of you two.
That was you.
No, I missed. Someone shot after me and hit it.
I did. Unless you shot this one.
I'm pretty sure this one's mine.
That one's mine.
Well, then that one's mine.
This one's yours.
Shit, it don't matter. Come on, son.
Oh.
Dude, that GoPro footage has to be good.
Step on his head.
Let's go! Baby. Let's go! Oh shit! Let's go!
Don't get off. He's gonna kick.
Grant, look at your paintbrush. Look at that.
What do we start with? There's no fan left. Left for a mouth.
Whew. Let me peek this one, son.
Oh my god. Book. Sit down, boy. Go to bed.
Dude, they all got paintbrushes. Man, let's go get that other lens on.
Hold on.
All right, we got the little lens going. Look at these birds, boys. Come on.
Oh, baby.
Let's get up on top of this hill.
Oh no, that's a deer. Come on, son. Come on, son.
Let's go.
All right, let's get them up right here. Man, look at that. Come on, buddy. They did it dirty this morning. They did it dirty. We all filled our tank. All big old long beards. I mean, they did it textbook. You can zoom in on that corner there. That's where they came out. I mean, they flew down 525, 25. I mean, they just came out in the field and they stood there for a little bit, gobbled once, and then I doing some soft hen yelps over in our direction, and they loved it. They loved everything about it. They started gobbling, as you guys seen on that footage. You kind of zoom in to where our setup is. You got that, Grant? I mean, we had a pretty good hide. We had good backing behind us. And then the decoy, I mean, we set that up so, because we probably heard 12 different toms this morning. We didn't know which one was going to come first. But about halfway through, about 5:10, I was like, hey, we should move this decoy around. And we did. And that's exactly where they came out from. I think that helped a little bit. We got that GoPro footage too, that was pretty sweet. So yeah, we're going to get everything packed up, go thank the landowner, and we're gonna take the day off and celebrate because this was a hell of a hunt.